Hey there everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to customize your For You page on TikTok or how to reset it in a way. So what you must do is open your app, and when you go to home, this is your For You page. These are all the different TikToks that you get that TikTok thinks you're interested in. So go to your Me page in the bottom right and go to the top right then and click on the three little dots. Once you have done that, scroll a bit down, and where it says cache and cellular data, right over here, click free up space, and you can clear up your cache. Clear, and this will pretty much wipe all the information TikTok has gathered about your browsing habits and what you liked, etc. So we're gonna go back to home, and here I'm just going to refresh it by pressing it again. So right now I'm just getting randoms. So if you don't want to get, let's say, a particular TikTok like this one, let me just pause it for a bit. You can just click not interested in them, because that will pretty much tell TikTok's algorithm that you don't want anything from this type to be shown to you. So let's go back to it, and you just press and hold on the TikTok and click on the not interested button right here, and there you go. Like this, you can keep on pressing and pressing and pressing, and that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. See you next time, and leave a like and subscribe if you did. Have a nice day.